Then they even video me say, na me agree, say make I leave my pikin there. Because
so they video you? Very
because
good.
the nurse say she go call police for me. She go call, say she get lawyer, say she get police. And if she make call, then go come here.
Which law say person if you say pikin, where she dey get lawyer for? Is she okay? Say she go call police, call lawyer, say you say pikin. But anyways, so madam, what do you want now? You want your baby back?
Yes.
Where's the money?
You get my phone.
The money still in your phone?
Yes.
The 2.2 million?
Yes.
Okay. Now the woman transfer the money to you by herself?
Yes.
Okay.
If you watch this video to the end, we are going to analyze what the law will likely do in this circumstance. Will the law punish both the seller and the buyer? What does the law say? Please watch to the end for the legal analysis.
2026, this woman came to my office and then she said she gave birth on Monday, being 13th of July 2026. But unfortunately for her, somebody took the baby. And the person that took the baby, she sold the baby to the person. However, after they paid her the money, she now decided that she didn't want to sell the baby again. She now said, no, my conscience will not let me sell my child, so I need my child back. But sadly, they've taken the baby. We are going to go and recover the baby, but there's some story on how everything happened that you people need to hear. So I told her that she has to share the backstory before the summary I've given. So madam, I don't want the story drag. You go straight to the point. The reason why you sold your baby, right? And then how the place where the woman carry you go, how you take contact the woman and everything. You understand? Then we go move because I'm interested in this. So from the genesis, the father of the baby, who is he?
His name.
You go to speak up, please.
His name is Lucky.
Lucky who?
Umogu.
Lucky Umogu.
Yes, from Delta State, Asaba.
What does he do?
He's a media driver to Sheriff.
To Sheriff who?
Governor Sheriff.
Is a driver to Sheriff.
Yes.
The governor of Delta State.
Yes.
Where does he live, this guy?
He stays inside government house.
He lives in the government house. Okay, so what's your relationship with him and how this is?
He's my boyfriend.
Okay.
He said that he wants to marry me. So I've been living with him for almost 2 years and I got pregnant for him the first one. He said I should abort it.
You should abort it?
Yes.
Okay.
Then I got the second one. He said I should abort it.
Okay.
Then this third one, he said I should leave it. That is going to take care of us.
Okay.
When the pregnancy is 3 months, he started misbehaving. And I don't even understand his character anymore. Inside last week, that I'm in my 9 months time. He asked me to leave government house because I went to the market. As I come back from the market, they asked me to leave government house. I should not enter government house again.
Who asked you to leave the government house?
The police officers that are in the gate say that they give them order from
CSO, Chief Security Officer.
CSO.
Okay.
And one man, Papa Sarah.
Okay.
So 2 of them give the order that I should leave, that I should call my boyfriend and ask him the reason why. Then say I should not enter government house.
Okay.
Now I called my boyfriend. He said that he have already asked me to leave. That there is nothing he can do to help me again.
Okay.
And by then, time was already late, 7 o'clock in the night.
Okay.
So I have to carry the thing that I bought from market and go and meet my friend. She too, she could not accommodate me because she's staying with her boyfriend.
Okay.
I have to go and lodge in a hotel. From there.
A hotel in where?
In Asaba.
In Asaba. All right. Go on.
So from there, I now decide to come and look for VDM and one woman that is doing surrogacy. So
this woman that is doing surrogacy, you came to look for her and VDM?
Yes.
Where did you meet this woman? Is she your cousin? Is she your relative?
No. I meet her through on Facebook. I meet her online. So I contact then she now add me on her WhatsApp group.
Okay.
So
this WhatsApp group, is it only you that is there?
No.
Different men and women or only women?
People like saying women or food, they are no.
Which type of women? Pregnant women or single girls?
Then she will say that if you want to do a donor of egg, or you want to be a surrogacy, or you want to say your pikin, that is the thing she
That's the group.
Yes.
How many people did this group?
Reach about 1,000 something.
For this group? Jesus. The group dey your phone?
Yes.
Okay, I go look at the group. So continue. So you came to Abuja to look for her and VDM?
Yes.
Okay.
It's either I meet VDM or I meet her. So
okay.
I don't know actually address to VDM office or his house. So I try all my best. I couldn't find VDM. I have to call the woman because I have her number.
Okay.
She now say I should start coming. Even in our chat is in my phone.
Okay.
So that is how I enter Abuja. She now come and pick me.
By herself?
By herself for Kurudu.
Okay.
The last bus stop. That is where she picked me and she lodged me in a hotel that she's staying.
Okay.
So
where is this hotel?
For Kurudu.
The hotel is in Kurudu?
Yes.
Okay, go on.
So that is where I stayed on Sunday. I arrived at Abuja on Sunday. That the same on Sunday. She now carry me go scan.
Okay.
So that they will check the baby. So as they check the baby head is one side. So and the doctor say that I will born August time. So she says she cannot wait, that they have to give me injection so that the pikin will quick come out. So that is how.
What's the name of this hospital? Where the hospital today?
We enter Nana. We enter bike go.
But the hotel there for Kurudu?
Yes.
Now only you stay for the hotel, or you and the woman, or yours? Is there anybody there where get belle too?
Yes, but she's staying in another separate room.
So 2 women will get belle there. So what was your plan when you went there? You want to?
My plan was, because I've already contacted her, that okay, I'm ready to send my pikin to you. Please.
How much?
She said if I give birth to a woman, she will sell it. She will give me 2 million.
Woman 2 million.
Man 2.2.
Man 2.2. Just 200,000 naira difference.
So now I say okay, no problem. That is my reason of contacting her.
Okay, so you tell me when you gave birth and what
As I gave birth, then on Monday she now took me and the other lady to one house, and the woman they stayed there. So the woman is a nurse. So now there she now give us injection for hand, for even medicine for mouth. She give me about 6 injections. So that is how level start, and she come dey massage my belly so that the baby head will turn. That is how she did everything. After everything, the other lady first me give birth. She born girl.
That is 2 million for the other lady.
That is
Oh, Abi, you don't know the price of that one?
Me, I don't know.
Okay. I go on now.
So me I later born by 11 midnight on Monday.
You come born boy.
As I born now, I come lie down for 3 o'clock from midnight. Now she started chatting. They asked me.
Okay, she no dey the hospital when you born.
She dey with me. We did the same room.
Okay.
So all of us dey there. She come dey chat me. She say make I wake up. Say she want talk to me. I say oya dey talk, more we chat. Now me and her come dey chat. She dey tell me say oya make I send my account number. And I say my account number. So now I come ask her how much self you want pay me. And she say as we talk now. I say if na as we talk, me I know they do again. I no want say my pikin. And as I dey even talk am, she do already send first 1 million. So she say make I confirm am. She come send another 1 million. Say make I confirm am. Say after everything she will send the remaining 200. Now I just tell her say I'm not interested. The stress Well, I went through no water, I no one cell, I don't know. And she, by 5 o'clock, now they come wake me up, say me they go, may they go lodge me for hotel. Now I say out of my baby placenta, and she say wait, I won't use that. I say I won't carry him. Now they say they don't throw away. I say they throw away my pikin placenta for it. Okay, as you don't throw away, I'm gonna carry my pikin they go. Now they say you know feel happen. Say this is not the agreement. Now they come carry me go outside, make I know this because even as we did, another person come, but that one I see her she won't do. We did for way born for that place, and all of them
for Kurudu,
and all of them are said. So now 2 of them come carry me go outside. Say make I know they raise my voice, they discourage others. Nobody force me to come here. If not to increase the money, I say maybe to increase and be the issue. Me, I don't know. Now they say waiting come make me change my. Say me I don't know, but me I don't want to take it. It was like trying to calm me down outside, but and the woman even down they beg me say make I no spoil business for her. This that.
This woman, where is she from?
A Yoruba woman.
A Yoruba woman. The last one where we arrest na Igbo. This one Yoruba. I'm
but
happy.
the nurse na Igbo.
The nurse na Igbo. So it's not like a tribal thing where you go say na Igbo they do am. Nigerians are generally, plenty people are bad. Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Efik, Edo, anybody can do anything. But continue.
So now I can say okay, no problem.
So how you can't live there now? How they going to carry the pikin go where you don't know as soon as they drive?
I just tell them. Now then I no agree. They insist. Okay, now they say okay, as you no agree, make I transfer the money back for them. I say okay, me una follow me, mo go bank because I go carry the pikin. All of us go go bank. They no agree. Say I go carry the pikin comot it. Say as the money don't dey and me I no sabi do transfer for my phone. I say I no get app for my phone to do transfer. I will go do am. Then say I go leave the pikin here. Me and them will go bank. I say me I no fit leave the pikin there. Now with just a drag. Now I come leave them. The woman come say I go sign on. I go sign. Say then come. They even video me say na me agree. Say make I leave my pikin there. Because
so they video you.
Because the nurse say she go call police for me. She go call, say she get lawyer, say she get police. And if she make call, then go come here.
Which law say person if he say pikin, where should they get lawyer for? Is she okay? Say she go call police, call lawyer, say they say pikin. But anyways, so madam, what do you want now? You want your baby back? Yes. Where's the money?
You get my phone.
The money still in your phone?
Yes.
The 2.2 million?
Yes.
Okay. Now the woman transfer the money to you by herself?
Yes.
Okay. Will you fit get your pikin back? But you know say they don't fit give you the pikin again.
No.
You say? They don't fit give you the pikin now. You were consciously go sell your pikin?
Yes, I'm not conscious now.
No, you were very conscious. You contacted the woman.
I know, but now
Yes. Yes. Whether not money, the only reason why I am very, very interested in this case is to scatter that business so that they do. You understand? You can see your child, but we will write that they should not give you that child.
Yes.
That's just the truth.
And to save the child.
Yes, and to save the child from you.
No.
Because you are as worst as the people that bought the child.
No.
If you were not selling, they are not buying. If there are no people selling, these people will not be in business. So you are also an accomplice. You understand? So whatever punishment they'll give them, they'll follow give you. And that your husband will frustrate you to the point, Abi my give belle, will also make sure say himself, he will collect. But just put am for the back of your mind, say, as we go find that pikin so, if we collect am, they come your hand. No beg me, I don't tell you waiting. No be Jesus collect the pikin from you, and you say pikin, no call Jesus. Jesus ain't got nothing to do with this. You understand?
Pikin
when you collect money, no be just even collect money. You still even don't say how much when they talk again. You wanted to still renegotiate, meaning that if they are giving you 10 million naira, you will not be hearing the story today.
You said
Even with the money, I cannot.
You said the money. You said the stress is not worth it.
You said the stress is not worth it. It's not worth it. 2 million. You understand? Meaning if they are giving you, madam, like this, they give you 10 million. If you said that,
I will not.
Madam, leave this talk. Or you talk. You agree 2 million. No, agree 10 million.
All the suffer why they suffer because of money. I will not be here.
You wanted to use them.
Yeah.
You don't
Yeah. Now use yourself. You won't use them. All of them are the same.
I don't want to use them and collect my baby. I don't have nobody to help me.
We will collect. We will go and get your baby. We'll move immediately. We will get your baby. Right? I'm taking this matter to STS, the commander of STS, Victor. Now he help us to cover that this thing. We are going there now. You understand?
That baby needs to be
now,
safe from you.
That baby will be safe from you and be safe from the other people.
Now, let's talk about what the law actually says here. Under Nigerian law, buying or selling a child is a serious criminal offense, not a gray area. The Child Rights Act of 2003, by Section 30, makes it illegal to buy, sell, hire, or deal in a child. Conviction by a court carries up to 10 years in prison. On top of that, the Trafficking in Persons Prohibited Act of 2015, enforced by NAPTIP, treats child trafficking as one of the most serious crimes on the book. Penalties can run from 14 years all the way to life imprisonment. And here's the part people often miss. It's not just the buyer who is liable. The seller can face prosecution too. We've seen this play out in real cases. In the Ondo baby factory case, a live case, operators were sentenced to 14 years after an 11-year legal battle. NAPTIP has also arrested buyers, deadly, including a woman caught with twins she wasn't biologically related to. So, when we look at these specific cases, a mother who says she stole her child, then changed her mind, the legal question isn't simple. Was she coerced? Was she a victim herself? Was she targeted by traffickers? Or did she initiate the sale herself? Those facts matter, and only an investigation can settle them. Now, does the doctrine of pacta sunt servanda, apply in this case? Will an agreement of an illegal act be enforced by the law? What she's asking for now is to get back her baby. It's a separate legal fight entirely, likely to run through child custody proceedings, not just criminal court. This is where I want to hear from you. Do you think she deserves a second chance? Should the law treat her differently from the people who bought her child? Drop your take in the comments. Drop your comments in the comment section. I read every single one of them. And if this case matters to you, please hit the subscribe button. It is free because we are following where this goes.